What are you doing today?
Your mom.
Other than that?
I'm putting on my diffuser.
Sick.
Alright, let's stop fucking around, help me.
Can I at least show your ride?
No. Lefty Lucy, right? Yeah, you right?
Sick. You got a diffuser off a 350Z. Gonna mock it up to his GT350, otherwise known as a
backwards.
Oh, my bad. Otherwise known as the Infinity G35 Sedan. Alright, I'm gonna stop fucking around and help him out real quick. And that's the final product right there. Came out pretty clean. All we did was basically self-tap. I know that's a little ghetto, but the homie here is gonna spray paint this black so it'll blend in a little better. But yeah, that's a 350Z diffuser on G35 Sedan. One more look at the ride real quick, and yeah, it is 6-speed manual. It's rocking the Bosons. Cool. That's it for this video. Later, guys.